Hey guys, it's Jacob here from the Helmet Center. Today we're looking at our 2016 KTM 390 Duke. Overall, this bike is pretty much stock, but it is ready to ride. It's got new oil, fresh filter, good tires. Very clean bike. Little windshield there. There's a little mark, little chip on the tank right there. No tears or rips in the seat. You guys can always come check it out here at the Helmet Center. We're open 7 days a week. We're located on 43rd Avenue in Union Hills. Chain is in good condition. All of our bikes, we clean, lube, and adjust the chain. The orange frame just makes it pop. Pretty low mileage. We've got about 4,800. I think it's 4823 to be exact. There we go, 4823. We'll fire up real quick. Right now we have the bike listed for $42.88. You guys can always get more details at our website, hcpowersports.com, or always give us a call. Our number here is 623-444-4789. Thanks.